Are you good with words? Do you love writing short stories, sharing ideas, or creating helpful content? What if I told you there are websites that will pay you just to do that from the comfort of your home? No degree, no fancy equipment, and no experience required. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn real money from home using just your phone or laptop. These sites are open to people worldwide, and the best part, you can start today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss real opportunities like this one. Let's kick off with a platform called penp.com. Penp is like the Netflix of short story writing. It pays you for every person who reads your story. Yes, you earn credits every time someone views your work, and those credits convert into real money. Here's how it works. You sign up for free, upload your short stories chapter by chapter, and as people read them, you get paid. You don't need to be a professional writer. As long as you can tell a story, you're welcome. Writers can submit romance, mystery, sci-fi, horror, anything. It's perfect for creative minds looking for a side hustle. Each time a reader accesses your story, it uses a credit. You earn 45% of the credits used by readers. Then when you reach the minimum payout, you can withdraw via PayPal. Pro tip: use AI tools or writing prompts to boost your creativity if you feel stuck. And yes, you can even earn bonus credits if you refer other writers or readers. So whether you're in Nigeria, India, the UK, or the Philippines, Penp is accessible to everyone. If you love storytelling and want to get paid for it, this one is a no-brainer. Penp.com pays you for short stories. The straightforward model gives rewards to writers from all over the world for every qualified pages of their short stories that are read. This reward is known as credits. It works by giving every new member welcome credits, which is then charged as they read your story and split between the platform and the writers. The credits, when given to writers, is then converted to cash, and which can be deposited into your bank account or PayPal, depending on membership type. So I do want to let you know that penp.com offers both free and premium memberships, and anyone anywhere in the world age 16 and over can be a member. They always recommend the Prime membership with opportunity to earn up to 90% more commission than free membership. In addition, Prime members can write up to 12,000 words, 20 pages, a maximum of 600 words per page. Free members can only write up to 3,000 words, 5 pages, a maximum of 600 words per page. So you can compare the membership and know which one works for you before you begin. Alright, if you click on register now, it brings you to this page where you're going to enter your personal information and payment method. However, you would see these membership options. So if you want to go for Prime membership, these are all you're going to get. For the writers that mean business, you're going to get all these things listed here. But if you go as a free member, you will get a few things here. All right. So you compare and see which one you want to go for. If you want to earn more, go for premium membership. Next up is a gold mine for list lovers, listverse.com. If you can write a list article that's interesting, informative, and a little quirky, you could get paid $100 per post. That's right, Listverse pays $100 for list style articles that are 10 items long. Topics can include bizarre facts, creepy mysteries, amazing inventions, strange traditions, anything fascinating that will hook readers. You don't need to be a journalist or academic. All you need is good English, original content, and the ability to explain your ideas clearly. Here's what they expect. Each list should be at least 1,500 words long. It must be original, meaning not copied or AI generated. So avoid ChatGPT. And they love unusual topics. Payment is via PayPal once your article is accepted. But here's what makes Listverse different. They only publish the best of the best. So take your time to craft something fun and well researched. You can submit as many lists as you want, and they accept writers from all over the world. If one article takes you 5 hours and earns you $100, that's a great return on your time, especially if you write 2 or 3 a week. If you're enjoying this video so far and want more websites that pay you to write from home, hit the like button and drop me a comment below saying more writing jobs please. It helps this video reach more people who need it, and I will know to make a part 2. Now let's talk about publicsuits.com. This one is a bit less known but super powerful for beginner writers. Public Suits is a paid contributor platform where people can submit articles, opinion pieces, personal essays, and even spiritual or lifestyle content. What makes them different is they support both professional and beginner writers. They have a submit and end system. Once your post is reviewed and approved, they pay you based on quality and engagement potential. Topics can be anything from culture, faith, productivity, family, business, and even trending social topics. Their aim is to inspire and educate people across all walks of life. Payments are made via PayPal as well, and the average pay ranges between $10 to $50 per article, depending on content depth. But here's where it gets exciting. They also feature selected writers and can give you an ongoing contributor role, opening doors to more consistent income and exposure. To start, go to publicsuit.com, create a free account, read their contributor guide, and submit a sample article or a pitch. It's that simple. Whether you're a passionate thinker, creative storyteller, or someone with lots of experience to share, Public Suit gives you a voice and a paycheck to go with it. So this is how Public Suit works. You're going to create your account, you're going to register here, sign up as an editor, take the Recatium course, and submit your application to become a writer. You're going to receive requests, choose which ones you want to write, and submit the URL on the platform. Then receive the money in your wallet. You can request payment whenever you want, and you will receive it in your PayPal or bank account within 10 business days. So you'll be able to set your own price, choose what to write, and get paid. So to register, you're going to click on this icon here, select as a writer, then you start. Become a copywriter in 3 steps and start receiving orders immediately. Sign up as a publisher and start earning extra income. Put your name, your email address, and register. Alright. Now let me give you some quick tips to boost your chances of making money on these platforms. 1. Always proofread your work. Use free tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor. 2. Research trending topics, what people are already curious about. This gives your articles a better chance of being accepted and widely read. 3. Stay consistent. The more you write, the better you get. Don't be discouraged if your first submission doesn't get accepted. That's normal. 4. Be original. Don't copy content or use AI to generate full articles. You will get flagged and rejected. And number 5, build a writing habit. Even 30 minutes a day can lead to hundreds of dollars a month if you commit. So there you have it. 3 legit platforms paying real money to writers from anywhere in the world. PenP for creative story writers, Listverse for list article lovers, and Public Suits for personal and impactful articles. These aren't get rich quick schemes, like I always say. They are real opportunities for real people with real voices, just like you. Which one will you start with? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another way to make money online from home. And if you want part 2 with more websites just like this, comment more writing gigs below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.